they've been going for like, what? Like, at least 40. They've been going for at least like 40 seconds now. I'm videotaping this. This is, whoa, oh my God. This is the most I've ever seen.
Where are they coming from?
Are these?
Are they bats?
Yeah, I think they're bats. I don't think they're birds.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my God.
They're still coming.
Oh wait, no, I thought they were stopping there for a second.
Yeah,
don't worry. Oh my God. Are these bats? I think they're bats.
I don't know. I think
They're not.
birds.
I think. What?
I think they're birds. They keep coming.
When are they gonna stop? I've been filming this for 1 minute, and 1 minute and 9 seconds, and what? It was going on like 20 seconds before I started to film this. What are they like? Is there like an infinite supply of these things? Where are they going, first of all? What is happening?
Look at them coming.
I don't understand.
Holy shit.
I wonder how long this was going on before we came out here.
Look at them.
Oh my God. They're like showing no sign of stopping either.
Oh my God. I'm
Alright, oh, they're coming even more now. They're coming even more now. Now they're like lower to the ground. Dang. They're not.
I mean,
Shelby, I've been filming this for 3 minutes, and it has.
God.
And I'm not sure how long they've been going on for.
Is this migration or something? It must be.
Look at that! Look at that through the
trees. But look at this.
They've been coming for at least 3 minutes now.
Holy. Where are they coming from? Look at this. I've never seen migration like this. For 5 minutes watching them. This is weird. Very weird. It's the end of the world weird.
They know something, like when the
Oh my God.
Is it birds? It is birds.
Look at this. Where are they coming?
Oh my jeez.
Oh my, it's like the movie The Birds.
That's what Grandma was saying earlier.
Oh my Lord.
Are they? Did they stop? No. No.
Yeah, where are they going? Where? They're landing in the trees.
You should go for a walk in the day with Parker.
Mom, look at it. Look at Mom.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
What is happening?
Holy.
Wait.